Some good marks on the depth finder right here. Looks like fish. Looks like they're just suspended right in about 3 foot of water. See if I can't catch one as I drift over, troll over the top of them. Definitely some fish right there. I can't believe I haven't gotten a bite. As I say that, let's go. Just watching the graph, man. I knew there was fish all up under there. Awesome. Awesome how that works. Oh, look at that. The best fish of the day. How you like that fish? Yo. Yeah. Justin just caught a crappie on a spinnerbait. That's awesome. Oh my God. Holy hell. Holy hell. Taylor. T. On the spinnerbait. Look at that big old sockeye. Look at that thing. And held it. Let this thing go in the water. See you later, bud. Thanks. How about that, boys? That's a sockeye on the swim bait. Look at that. Yeah. Taylor said there was a big ball of shad right here. Can't tell you how much I hate treble hooks. Look at that. Beautiful sockeye. Huh? Yeah. Pretty. I mean, smoked it too. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, don't come on, don't come on, don't come on. Don't come on, don't come on. See? What I tell you? It looked good. It was good. Look at that. He smoked it. Pretty fish, pretty. They are fat. See them away. About to get loud. There it is. Look at that. Got one on the swim bait, baby. I gotta be careful because I don't like treble hooks. Not a fan of treble hooks. Want a little bugger? Oh, there it is. There he is. Yeah. Nice little bass. Pretty. Give him a smooch. Send him on his way. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I don't know how Taylor and Frank are doing. I saw Justin catch a fish. I see his paddle. He's right there. He's right around this corner. Getting back there. the boat. It's a nice sized fish there. Good one. See you later, buddy. I'll try something else really quick. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, boy. Caught another good sized bass. Look at that. Ooh, I done hit the camera. Look at that. On top water. Later, bud. Look. Well, I got one right now, buddy. Yeah.
It's up there. The way he was digging didn't seem like a sidewalk.
It's not gonna die. Yeah, if you want to.
Give it to me so I can hold it.
Here you go.
Yeah, why are you holding it by the head?
That's just how I hold them.
Oh, so cool. You guys can come. I want to hold the next thing, like, I'll put my sliding when it jumps at your hands. And yeah.
That was funny. Really? We've been catching a ton of sac-a-lait right here. You know why? I've got the depth finder. It's the deepest spot in the whole pond. Yeah, it's like about 6 feet. Yeah, they're just sitting right in that deep hole. Back on the troll after making the kids happy. That little dude, he was like, why are you holding it by the head? He wanted to use my rod. I was like, I don't think so. Sorry, little dude. Yeah, that's why Grant was like, oopsie, I dropped it. I was like, yeah, that's probably a better choice. That's a tank, whatever it is. I think this might be the biggest of the day, Frankie. Come check this out. Another good one. Just trolling the lake. Good fish. Damn good fish. Good fish. Just trolling along, guys. I mean, it's these little ponds are perfect. You just troll around. Freaking love it.
If it had a little bit more shoulder.
Bro, if they just, if they were.
They're overpopulated. There's too many monkey.
It's video. Oh. Riot Outdoors. Another good one, guys. Just trolling around on the lake. One of the simplest ways to fish these little neighborhood ponds. Just trolling a little jig. That's what? I don't know. We probably caught 15.
Probably close to 15, 20
I mean,
fish
that's
today.
a hell of a nice crappie. crappie. We'll let her go. Yeah. There it is. However they say it. Here you go, Frank. Here you go, Frank. There's another one, guys. I mean, it's that easy. It's that easy, Frank. All you gotta do is get yourself a Hobie. I love it, man. Another little sac-a-lait. I think we're gonna put this one in the fish tank, guys. What do you think about that? We have a 125. 125, huh? We have a 125 gallon fish tank at the house. I think this dude will go perfectly in that little 125. Let's get him in there quick, Frank. Oh, he ain't a small one. All right, well, we gotta catch another one for the fish tank. Since Frank's a dumbass. All right, guys, flip back around after Frank dropped that sac-a-lait in the water. We're gonna put him in the fish tank, but you know, whatever. Back to the troll, boys. You know the deal. Trying to keep it right around a mile an hour to 1.3-ish. Got the wind at my back, so I may be trolling a little bit faster here, but whatever. It worked earlier. Done it a couple times today with the wind at my back, and it doesn't seem to matter. I just know I really haven't caught anything going faster than like a mile and a half. So right now I'm at 1.5, right at a mile and a half. Mile and a half an hour. See, 1.3, that's not bad, but I've been catching most of them honestly right over 1 mile an hour, like 1.1. They're definitely just ganged up in all this deep water on this side of the pond. The other side of the pond seems to be averaging about 4 foot, 3.5, 4 foot deep. This side averages more 5.5 foot over here. Some holes are 6 feet. There's some good marks right there on the depth finder. That's probably fish. Back at it, trolling the other side of the pond. I haven't really fished this side, so seems to be consistently shallower here than on the other side. Over there we're averaging 5 to 5.5 foot. We're averaging 4 foot here. But you never know. Oh, there's a good bite. Oh, there's one. Oh no, don't get, oh no. Oh, we're just catching everything today. Yeah. That little jig catches everything. There it is. About 4 foot of water. Just trolling along. Little bluegill action. So far, this little jig has caught a bass, catfish, crappie, and a bluegill. Gotta love it, dude. Got to love it. Pretty fish. There he goes. Oh, about time to flip back around and troll on out of here. Hey, ladies. He's a little big for the tank. I mean, technically the tank's massive, so. All right, boys. Last one for the day. Good way to end it. Catch y'all next time.